What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about what's happening with AMC stock right now, and more importantly, how you can make money off of today's movement. We have a ton of great info to talk about in today's video, so make sure you stick around to the end. I have a pretty cool strategy to show you with AMC that can put you in a win-win position if you like AMC for the next couple months or so. But either way, AMC stock, it's not having the best day, obviously. It's down almost 6% today, but it's not having a horrible day. If we look at it intraday, it opened up right around 53, fell all the way below 48, but now it is coming back up, which does show that buyers aren't just going to let this thing free fall. We have a lot of buyers coming back into it, and it had a nice pop towards the end of the day today. It had a nice pop back up, which is good to see. We are back above this $50 support, which is awesome. So while AMC stock is down almost 6%, it's not like a horrible, totally bearish red day. So we can see, the stock has just been consolidating for the past couple weeks, and it's really been sadly making lower highs, which normally isn't a good sign. Now, the thing is, right now, the reported short float is around 20%. A lot of people claim that it's actually the real short float is a lot higher than 20%, and that's something that you have to research for yourself. And if you guys think it's higher than 20%, let me know in the comments down below and explain why so other people could understand. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. But people are also saying, let's not forget that the market is closed on Monday because of the 4th of July. And a lot of people are just claiming, who are a part of this movement, that just the mainstream media and market makers in general are trying to get people, scared and to sell out of their positions, which might be true. Either way, the current chart movement hasn't been the best. But if you do like AMC stock right now, there is a pretty good strategy that you can put in place. So what you can do, and this is an options trade, but it can be a win-win. You can actually get paid to buy AMC stock at a low price and at the same time take money directly from someone who's trying to bet against it. So it's kind of like a win-win, and I'll go over the trade in a couple minutes, but if we go back to the chart, it's just been consolidating. That $50 support is pretty important, and we are back above that right now. Let's not forget the market is closed on Monday, so, hedge funds or whoever might try to, keep the momentum or just movement a little weak to end the day. Another thing is people are reporting that certain brokers are requiring like an 800% margin requirement to short AMC and GameStop, which obviously would be a good sign because that's a pretty big margin requirement if you want to short the stock, and that'll deter a lot of institutions and traders from shorting it. So that could be a good sign for people who are long AMC and GameStop. But really the main options trade I wanted to show everyone was how you can literally take money away from people who are betting against this stock and at the same time even get a pretty nice paycheck for yourself. So AMC stock right now is at 51 bucks. Let's say, you know what, I like AMC, for the next couple months, and I am okay with buying it now at 51. It's a decent amount off its highs at 72, but I'm okay with buying it now. What you can do is let's say we go out to, the July 16th expiration. You can sell let's say we do the 47 strike put option, and you'll get paid $400 for doing that. You literally get paid $400 from someone who's betting against this stock, and if AMC closes below $47 on the expiration date, which is July 16th, you just have to buy 100 shares at $47 each. Now, here's the thing, though. If it's below 47, you have to buy at 47. So, if you're trying to catch the bottom, this strategy isn't going to work for you. You can't catch the bottom consistently anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Another thing is you have to have some money to do this. So, if you want to sell the 47 strike put, you have to have enough money to buy 100 shares at $47. If you want to sell the 35 strike put, you have to have 3,500. If you want to sell the 28 put, you have to have 2,800. So while this strategy can be a win-win, literally you get paid money to potentially buy this stock at a low price. You're taking money away from someone who wants the stock to fall. The only thing is you just need some money to be able to do it. So, maybe if you're kind of on the fence with AMC, or maybe you're like, I only want to get it if I can get it for like $35 or lower. This might be a good strategy. Of course, do your own research. Check out how this, technically if you want to learn the exact name of the strategy, it's called writing put options or cash secured puts. It's really a win-win strategy if you do it correctly. AMC, it is a different scenario though, because AMC is a very, very unique setup, and it is a lot more volatile than like traditional stocks. But normally when you sell puts on normal stocks, it's a win-win. Like I said, make sure to do your own research. But back to AMC, ultimately what will make this stock fall is if all the people who are behind it start to sell out. And really that'll happen when people just start spilling bad things about the stock online and stuff like that. So as long as the people behind this movement buy into it and hold it, really the stock should be at some relatively high levels. I'm neutral on it, but some people are saying, I'm actually getting a lot of messages saying that, now's a great time to buy AMC stock. Of course, do your own research, but really I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below. AMC stock, whether you like it or you don't like it, it is a very unique setup, and we really don't see situations like this happen too often. Normally, the hedge funds always win no matter what, right? And now they're in a position where they're in a really bad position, actually. So it's a very unique scenario, and it's hard to say for sure what's going to happen. But just let me know what you guys think. Do you think AMC is going to fall down to 40, retest that $40 support? Is it way overvalued, and is it going to go down to 15? Or is this thing about to hit 100, 200, or even more? Let me know in the comments down below. Just some things I wanted to point out was IV's high, implied volatility is still, I know it dipped down from its highs back in June, but in general, it's relatively high. 186% is a, means you're going to be paying a nice, good amount of money for those options. But if you sell them, you're also going to get paid a lot of money. So keep that in mind. The major technicals I'm looking at is that $50 support. We are really close to that right now, and I'm very curious to see how it ends up, towards close. That $49 support was pretty big too. A ton of buyers came in and really brought the price back up in the middle of the day today, which is great. A little bit of resistance at 52, a big resistance right at 60. And if we go on like the 180-day chart, of course, we have a huge resistance at 70, and then, that all-time high of $77.30 is a massive resistance level. We are making higher lows in general, which is good. I know we technically made a lower low, like if you really look at it over the past week, but in general, we're making higher lows, which is good. So yeah, I'm very curious to know what you guys think about AMC. Retail investor, retail trader sentiment has a huge impact on this stock. It has a lot more of an impact on AMC than it does on any other stock. So let me know what you guys think is going on with AMC right now. I'm very curious to know. Have a great 4th of July weekend. And don't forget to check out that cash secured put strategy. I definitely want to bring it up because everyone always loves to, instantly think, oh, if you want to profit off AMC, you have to buy calls, or you have to buy shares, or you have to do a call debit spread. But I feel like a lot of people just forget about selling puts. It's a very popular strategy, and if you do it correctly, it can put you in a good scenario. You literally get paid to potentially buy the stock at a low price, and on top of it, with the AMC movement, you're directly taking money away from people who are betting against the stock. So do your own research. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and have an amazing weekend.